What's up, dude?
What up, Rob?
Good to finally meet you. Jose from Riverside. You ready to shred the Rampage?
I'm excited, bro.
Let's do it. I think he likes it. Just headed out here, let the fun begin.
Is it dirt here? Throw some pumpkins in the grass.
About to murder them pumpkins. What do you got there, dude? I see you brought something for show and tell.
Just a little prop, you know, just for a video. Oh, wait.
What? Did this dude just bring a samurai sword to go skateboarding? What? What do we got back here, brother?
Well, just buckling up the kids for safety.
Make sure these kids are safe back here. Oh no, this could not end well. So we got everybody here safe with helmets on, and then there's Rob, no helmet. You guys, I just want to go on record saying this is a terrible idea. This is one of the stupidest things we've gone out to make. But we're not quitters, so we're gonna do it anyways. Right? Hey!
Does he look scared?
Terrified.
Oh yeah. Ah! Cut him right in half.
Hey! Bro, you just this guy up.
Where'd he get him? Just nicked it. Put them back together.
Covered in blood, man.
Warrior.
Where'd he get him? Ooh, clean cut. Damn. Hey! So that's how you carve a pumpkin with some serious power. What'd you guys think?
It was definitely a lot harder than I was anticipating it to be.
I went through it like butter.
Like butter. Oh my God, that was so much fun. This was a bit crazy. We definitely do not recommend this. No helmets, and skateboarding with a katana. Please don't try this at home. We are professional skateboarders and we take responsibility for our actions. Any one of us could have died here today, so please do not try this at home. We're just out to have some fun. How was that, bro?
Oh, it was amazing. It was beyond belief. Like, I'm gonna forget all about my duel, honestly.
We cannot get him off this board. One, two, three, pumpkins! If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell to see the next video first. It's gonna be even crazier than this one, and we will see you later.
What is that one right there? Shave. Just barely missed it.
I feel like he's carving like the little cucumbers for the spa to put on your eyes. It'd be perfect. Imagine if you walked into a spa and they did that, like, excuse me, I'll just